County in east central Illinois, Ford County in east central Illinois, Livingston County in central Illinois, southern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hudson to 6 miles northwest of Rantoul, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. An additional line of severe storms was near Interstate 39, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Watsika, Paxton, Dwight, Fairbury, Gibson City, Piper City, Stockland, Claytonville, Gilman, Citrus, Milford, St. Anne, Forest, Chatsworth, Sheldon, Shabazz, and Odell. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 203 and 218. Interstate 57 between mile markers 258 and 311. This includes Kankakee Community College at Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.